7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, the graph GRT. Currently ranked number 59 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 month, it has gone as high as $0.14 and as low as $0.089. Currently trading for $0.10. The graph has a market cap of $723 million at the point of recording this video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the graph US dollar price chart. Should we be accumulating some in the bear market? Is the bottom in for the all-time high for the graph at $2.65? It has dropped to as low as $0.089. Should we be getting some through the bear market? We'll be talking about that. We'll also be looking at the graph's performance against Bitcoin and graph's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the GRT market cap valuation chart. How low can you go through the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you are new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, in the last 1 year, the graph is down 83.8%. In the last 1 month, it's down 29.1%. But in the last 1 week, it's up 13.1%. In the last 1 day, it's still up 1%. And the altcoins are assessing a nice relief rally in the last 1 week. Should we be getting some graph right now? Is the bottom in, because a lot of these altcoins are down really bad, graph included. Graph has lost more than 96% of its value. And we know that during the bear market, a lot of these altcoins actually find their bottom around 90 to 90% of their value when they're down from their all-time high. During the bear market, we know that a lot of these altcoins find their bottom when they are 90 to 99% down from their all-time high. And right now, graph is down from $6.85 is set in 2021 February. Graph is down to as bad as $0.088 in July 2022. Should we be buying some graph right now? And graph was launched in December 2020, just before all coins started going to the moon, and graph went from as low as 12 cents to as high as $2.8. Crazy return, which represented a 2,149% return if you got graph when it was launched. But guys, with every huge pumps comes huge jumps, and since then graph have not been able to set a new all-time high. Graph has actually been dumping, and from that $2.8, graph dumped really hard. We had a bear market in May 2021 in the crypto market, and the bottom of that bear market, graph was down 85% from its all-time high. The first major dump, graph dumped 69%, and this happened in January 2021. After that, when graph went to set its all-time high, it now had its first major dump, and that dump, graph lost more than 85% of its value in just 130 days. And then the markets recovered. The market went on a relief rally. Bitcoin went to set new all-time highs. Ethereum went to set new all-time highs, but graph couldn't go to set new all-time highs. It got stuck in $1.15. It got there in August 2021, had a little dump in September 2021, and it got back there again when Bitcoin and Ethereum was hitting new all-time highs, and that was in November 2021. Graph went to $1.16, and after that, graph have been dumping really bad, because after it got to $1.16, graph had another crazy 92% dump. So right now, should we be getting some more graph, or is there further downsides for graph? Because graph is currently at an all-time low. And anybody that's been buying graph right now, you're getting the cheapest price ever, because those guys that even bought when graph was launched are in negative right now. They're in losses. Graph was launched around 12 cents. Right now, graph is trading for 10 cents. So should you be buying it right now? Are you getting the opportunity of a lifetime? Only time will tell, because guys, I believe in the next bull run, graph is going to go and set new all-time highs. But right now, we have to navigate the bear market, and a lot of these altcoins don't find their bottom till after Bitcoin finds its bottom. And Bitcoin right now is trading around $20,000. You want Bitcoin to find its bottom before you start getting a lot of these altcoins. If you want to get these altcoins right now, you want to be dollar cost averaging. I can see graph going to as high as $11 in the next bull run, which is going to be mad returns. But guys, you don't want to rush into these assets thinking the bottom is in. If you think they are cheap, they can always get cheaper. Now, this is graph performance against Bitcoin. Graph have been performing poorly against Bitcoin, and when it was launched, it performed well against Bitcoin. It went up more than 1,000% in less than 2 months. But after that top, a lot of people piled onto these altcoins at the top. If you check the top of this altcoins chart against Bitcoin, people started flipping their Bitcoin for these altcoins at the top, thinking, you know what, graph will probably continue going to the moon, but they were wrong. Graph has been dumping since then, and graph has lost more than 92% of its value against Bitcoin in less than 500 days. We know that altcoins actually take around 800 days to bottom, Looking at the previous bear market, it took many of the altcoins more than 800 days to find their bottom. If that's going to happen with Graph right now, it means Graph still have an additional maybe 300 days to find its bottom. That's barely a year. Only time will tell. But if you're getting Graph right now, if you're flipping your Bitcoin for some Graph, you'll be getting the cheapest price ever. Right now, Graph is below where it was launched in 2020 December. Is it the cheapest it can get to, or are we going further down? Because guys, Graph have not been in the bear market. We don't know how to behave in the bear market. Even when Graph was launched in December 2020, the market was still fairly up only. Bitcoin was above 20,000 then, and we're getting ready to go into the bull run. So throughout the bull run, we saw Graph pump, and we have been seeing Graph dumping really hard. Will Graph perform well in the bear market? We have to see how Graph is performing against the #1 altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, which is Ethereum. When Graph was launched, it had a pump against Ethereum, just like its US dollar pairing and its Bitcoin pairing. Graph went up 547% against Ethereum. Then Graph had a mad decline against Ethereum. This dump was really heavy. Graph lost 78% of its value against Ethereum before it went on its final leg to set a new all-time high on its Ethereum pairing. And that final leg took Graph more than 493% up into the sky. It went and set a new all-time high. But since that new all-time high that Graph set in February 2021, Graph have been dumping really bad. Right now, Graph is at an all-time low against Ethereum. Graph lost more than 95% of its value against Ethereum in 450 days. And right now, we're at an all-time low. Should be getting some Graph through the bear market, and will Graph perform poorly against Ethereum and Bitcoin through the bear market? If you're getting some Graph right now with your Ethereum, you'll be getting the cheapest price ever. Guys, for Graph to set a new all-time high on Ethereum pairing, we have to see Graph pump more than 1,700% against Ethereum. Is that possible? Hell yeah, guys, that's possible. We want to wait for the market to go back to easy mode. Can Graph set a new all-time high on the Bitcoin pairing? That's very, very possible. But Graph will have to go up over 1,100%. On its dollar pairing, can Graph set a new all-time high? It's very, very possible, guys. I told you guys I expect Graph to go to as high as $11 in the next bull run. For Graph to get to its all-time high, if you buy some Graph right now, Graph will have to pump over 2,500%. Crazy returns, and risk to reward right now for Graph is very enticing. Let's take a look at how Graph market cap is behaving and how low can it go during the bear market. At the top of the bull run, and Graph had a market capitalization of over $6 billion. Right now, the market cap of Graph has dropped to as low as $720 million. That's down 88% from the all-time high. Can it go lower? Yes, guys, it can go lower. You can see Graph's market cap probably getting to as low as $344 million during the bear market. That's probably another 50% dump from where we are right now. I can see Graph dropping another 50%. Is that possible? That's possible, but that might not happen. We might get a relief in the altcoin market. But guys, all the signs are showing us we're going lower. We see we're still be setting lower highs and lower lows. The last release that Graph had in the market was in March 2022. Graph pumped 69%. Right now, Graph has not even pumped up to. Right now, Graph have not popped up to 50%, and it's already showing signs of dumping. Only time will tell if the bottom is in. Guys, we only have 69% of the maximum 10 billion Graph we can have in circulation. We only have 69% of those coins in circulation. The Graph have a fully diluted market cap right now of $1 billion. How low will it go in the bear market? At what price will you be getting more Graph? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be accumulating more Graph right now? Or will you just be holding through the chaos? Or will you be selling, expecting lower prices? Selling right now will not sound like a smart idea. You have waited for Graph to be down more than 96%. And will you be holding through the chaos? Only time will tell. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.